we left off on our market size. So we have estimated our size of the market opportunity, top down, bottom up, growth rate. Now we want to look at our marketing strategy. So our marketing strategy, and I would extend this to say our marketing and sales strategy. We want to look at how is our product differentiated from competitor products. What's our position in the market? What's our 4 Ps, like Roz mentioned, price, place, product promotion, and initial sales plan? And what's our tagline? So this is a overview of the big picture marketing strategy, starting with differentiation. So in differentiation, we try to understand first and then communicate how is our product better than competitor products on dimensions that are important to our customers. So for example, in this diagram, we would have listed, in this case, 6 benefits of our product. And we would look at 5 companies, ourselves plus 4 competitors. We would assign a weight on each benefit, where a full circle equals heavy weight, meaning we have this benefit to the highest possible degree. An empty circle, it's missing, and a slightly filled in circle means we have a moderate degree of this benefit. By creating a diagram like this, we can very quickly understand how we're better than competitors. In this case, we're better than everybody on benefit 1, and we're better than everybody on most of the benefits. There's some close competitors, some farther away competitors. Things to watch out for when you do a diagram like this. Sometimes I'll see the company has delivered a diagram where they have all full circles and everybody else is blank. Yeah. This is unrealistic because either the competitors are too carefully chosen or the benefits are too carefully chosen. Alternatively, sometimes there's too many filled in circles, in which case a benefit is not really a differentiator. So you have to balance those two. Positioning is different from differentiation because positioning shows what market space do we occupy on a very, in this case, 2-dimensional basis. So in this positioning map, the market is being described as basically anchored on value and portability. So we have determined that customers in this market, they really care about value and portability. And everybody competes on these 2 dimensions, where our positioning is we're the best value and we're highly portable. So meaning we combine most likely a low price with a high degree of portability. And this is clearly, it's an attractive segment for us to enter. It's not contested. There's some potential for competitors to enter this segment, but not that easily. This is a more multi-dimensional positioning map called a strategy canvas, where we, instead of looking at only 2 dimensions, we can look at, we call factors of competition. So in this diagram, we look at 1, 2, 3, 4. We look at 9 factors of competition along the x-axis, and we segment the market based on the level of product offering on each of those dimensions. So I do usually I can, when we have more time, I'll do a case study on this. Also, since we can't read, it's not going to be fun. But basically, this is another way to position your company in the market. Strategy Canvas comes from something called Blue Ocean Strategy, which is a very good book to read on marketing strategy if you haven't read it yet. The fundamental concept is markets are either red or blue. Markets are either red ocean markets or blue ocean markets. Blue ocean markets are blue because the water in the ocean is blue, or is it? Did you see the article in Facebook or that was circulating in social media about how nobody saw blue until like a few hundred years ago? For most of human history, there was no blue. What? Yeah, it's true. Yeah, very interesting. Good. Do a Google search after. Don't do now, because I know you want to pay. I know you want to pay rapt attention to our last section. But you can do a Google search on why the ancients didn't see blue. Very interesting. So, digressing a little, but red oceans are red because of the blood of competition. So this strategy is about, Blue Ocean strategy is about how do we create new market segments that are less competitive or less heavily competed than existing segments, and therefore we are able to offer customers better value and still be the low-cost producer. So this is a very effective strategy if we can make it work. This is the same strategy for iPod, which we also can read.